Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and all of that stuff to you guys. I hope it was good for everybody. I have a question. What do you do with these things when they're pretty much empty? How do you dispose of it? Tell me in the comments how you've been disposing of your empty fuel canisters. I use this. This is the Crunch It. It's made by the folks at Jetboil, and it's used to make your empty fuel cans safer to recycle. I had a few empty fuel cans left over that I didn't feel comfortable just dropping in the recycling bin, and then I remember seeing this. I looked it up on Amazon, and I bought one for $14.99. It screws onto the top of the fuel canister, and it has a wedge-shaped can opener device to it. The attachment point and the wedge are hinged, so that it allows you to press down on the tool to puncture the canister. That lets out any residual gas vapor that might be in the canister. The Crunch It is definitely going to be a welcome addition to my camping gear. Like I said, I found this thing on Amazon. It was $14.99, the one that I decided to buy, and it got to me pretty quick. I would suggest having some way to render these canisters safe so that you can put them in your recycling bin and have them picked up by the garbage guy, or be able to drop them off at your local recycling center or waste management center. So consider it. I got something else I want to show you guys too. I'm not going to talk about it here. It'll be in the next video, so keep an eye out for that. Y'all take care of yourselves out there. Stay safe, and I'll see you next time.